vehicles are put on a bolo and patrol is stopping them, stop sticking them. And we're just on it. We're just solving crime. You know, and I think it's very well known to some of the, you know, criminals out there by the social media posts, like, oh, we're not coming to Flagler, the sheriff don't play there, you know, and stuff like that. But we do get a lot of traffic through St. John's and Volusia County and Putnam. But yeah, I'll tell you what, those LPR readers, tag readers, they have definitely changed law enforcement and what we do in Flagler County here, for sure. And it's run by Commander Joe Brilliant. He is definitely on it. He's our tech person, so he has trained them very well where he is.
Well, again, thank you for everything that you do for our agency and for the community. That's the important part, is delivering for the community. So thank you for that. From my perspective, everything seems to be going pretty good. I know for the Marine unit, the COP Marine unit, I always get a question about a boat. So we have applied for a Florida Inland Navigation District grant. If we get that, then the plan is that boat for law enforcement will replace, obviously not the Boston whaler, but whatever it is. It's not a Shearwater, but whatever that.
Carolina skiff.
Yeah, the Carolina skiff. And then the Carolina skiff will go to you guys, and then we'll get rid of the boat that you currently have. That's kind of the plan. So, and we think we'll get the grant, but we don't know for sure. Your brief is over.
I know.
Fingerprints, working 5 days, including your regular job. Carol sacrifices her days off, weekends to participate, helping in the COP division of the Flagler Sheriff County.
In the time that I've known Debbie Mormon, she has been the person who greets you with a warm smile and a hospitable attitude. Debbie came to my promotion ceremony and immediately felt that the COP organization was where she wanted to be. She came on board. She faced challenges of learning to use our computerized dispatcher system, greeting Flagler County patrons both in person and on the phone. There were days when she was required to do all those things at once, and there were days when she felt overwhelmed, but she never gave up. Debbie is now one of the first COPs to volunteer to cover open shifts. She works 2 days at the Ops Center, 2 days in the district office, and she works Saturdays at the Flagler Library. Debbie is now so confident in her training that she can now train new dispatchers. Corporal Brian Rosen recommended Debbie, and we are so proud of her accomplishments. And she has been selected as our employee of the first quarter of 2023.
Also, I'm going to read her certificate. It almost reads the same as if we wrote it. It says COP Dispatcher Deborah Mormon, employee of the first quarter 2023 for outstanding service to the Citizen Observer Patrol Division in areas of dispatcher, receptionist, excellent customer service at District 2, COP security at the Flagler Library, and the greeter at the Flagler Sheriff Operations Center. I appreciate your service awarded this 12th day of April 2023, and she has dinner for 2.
Yay!
Oh, she said, she'll step on my toe.